Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today's video is just going to be a really quick mini bead haul of some Miyuki Delica beads that I just got that are absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to share with you the colours and the names in case you want to get the same ones, and I'll leave a link for the shop where I got them from in the description box if you want to check it out. I believe they ship worldwide, and it's going to be really quick because I'm about to run out of battery on my phone, which I'm filming on. So let's get started. So this is all the ones that I got. So I'll go through them one by one. First of all, I've got this one to restock, which I've already got. And this is Miyuki Delica Silk Inside Dyed Aqua Green AB. So nice. What I will say about these silk inside ones is that they break quite easily, but they're so gorgeous. Look at that. So next, another restock is this one, which I already had, and this is dyed Opaque Violet. Really nice. This next one is absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. I hope it shows up on the camera really well. It's this like really bright purple silver lined, and it's called Silver Lined Violet Dyed, and it's just so bright. It's not really showing up as bright on camera, but it's like amazing. Love that. This is another new colour for me. It's Silver Lined Purple Matted. So I already had the silver lined, and I think I was trying to restock that, but I've accidentally brought the matted one, but it's fine. It's really nice. Got a lot of purple actually. This next one is another new colour for me, and it's Lined Crystal Fuchsia. Just a really nice, simple pink. This next one is one that I needed to restock, and it's Opaque Rose dyed. Again, it's just a nice pink. Okay, then we've got another one of these silk inside ones, which I've already got, but I've got hardly any of these left, and I think it's the most perfect, like, bright highlighter neon yellow. I love it so much. It's called Silk Inside Dyed Limeade. So I guess it's supposed to be greeny yellow, but it's bright yellow to me. I love it. Then we've got another one of these, Silk Inside Dyed Mint Green. I've already got this and need to restock. So that's another really good bright neon colour. Now I've got these, and I've got this colour in a round seed bead, but I've not got it in Delica. I think it's gorgeous. It's Opaque Sea Opal. It's just this like kind of cornflowery purpley blue. It's really nice. Next is another colour that I haven't had before, and this is Opaque Light Watermelon. And it is just like what it says, it's just the perfect watermelon colour. This is another restock for me. It's just a very good bright solid yellow, and it's just called Opaque Canary. So. And then I've got this one, which is called Opaque Pale Yellow Matted. It's a nice pastel yellow, really pretty. And some of the light yellow ones sometimes look more cream when they arrive, but this one, can't tell if it looks like that on camera, but this one actually looks like pastel yellow instead of cream. Really nice. This one I haven't had before, and this is Opaque Orange AB, so it's got that rainbow finish on it. Very nice. I never have enough orange beads, so I wanted a few different shades of orange. Like this one, which I am restocking, and this is Luminous Flamingo. Love the name. Love the colour. It's like a bright neon coral kind of orange. You can see the difference there. This next one I love. I had it ages ago, but I haven't had it for a while, and it's Luminous Wild Strawberry. Again, I love the name. So bright, so vibrant. Next one, I've never had this colour before. It's called Luminous Pink Taffy. So it's kind of like sweeties. It's really nice. It's like, I think it's like a purple kind of transparent bead, and it's lined with pink. So it has this really cool like sheen to it. Next we have this one, and I've had this before as well, and this is dyed silver lined dark pink. And it's nice, it's like more towards like the corally kind of pink. It's not a bubblegum pink, it's like got orange tone to it. Very nice. This one I've never seen before and I love it so much. It's like I'm wearing the same colour today. It's like my favourite colour at the minute, and it's called Luminous Plum Crazy. Fair enough. So the names make you laugh sometimes. I'd love to be the person that names all of these. So that is my favourite colour right now. I love that. This next one I got because I wanted to make a flag, like the Union Jack flag for the Jubilee, but it's a bit late now, but I might make one anyway. So this is called Transparent Cobalt, and it just is, it's like the perfect bright cobalt blue. Next we've got this, which is Silk Inside Dyed Lilac AB. So it's another one of those silk inside ones, and they just do have the nicest sheen. Can you see that? Like when the light hits them, they're sort of almost faceted, like they're like tiny bugle beads almost. So they're like cut, they're not as even in shape and size as the others because they do chip and break easily, but so gorgeous. So the next one is another one that I haven't had before, and it's called Fancy Lined Magenta. So Fancy Lined is giving it that rainbow, if you can see that, it's got like a rainbow shine to it. It's just a really nice colour. You can see I got a lot of pinks and purples, my favourites. This I had a long time ago as well, and I can't believe I haven't restocked it until now because it's so nice. Silk Inside Dyed Frozen Blue, and that's like the perfect name for it. So icy, and I love it. The last one, I've saved the best for last. Well, this is my favourite. I've said that a few times. Okay, this is actually my favourite. I've never seen it before, and it's Silk Inside Dyed Rustic Grey AB. So that's a lot to take in. So it's one of those silk inside ones, so it's got a nice sheen to it. And it's rustic grey, and it's got the AB finish, which means it's a rainbow finish. Ah, look at that, it's so gorgeous. So it's like, I love the greys and silvers because they're just great to have, like they go with everything. But look at the rainbow. I hope it's showing up well on the camera. It's so sparkly. I love it so much. Okay, so that's all the beads that I got. Like I said before, I'll link them down below, and here are my favourites. Where is it? These three. Obsessed. These are all, I mean, look at all of those colours together. I can't wait to make something with these. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this a little bit interesting, or it inspired you for some colours that you'd like to get yourself. Yeah, thanks for watching. Comment down below what else you'd like to see from me, and like this video and subscribe to see more of my videos. See you next time. Bye.